Hey guys, today is going to be a short little video of how to store your car during the winter. It's about to snow tomorrow, so I am just getting it prepped today and parking it for the year, basically. So I'm going to show you the steps that I take every year. I've been doing this for like 4 years now, and it worked perfectly every time. So I'm going to show you what to do. So first, you want to go wash your car. Make sure there's no dirt on it. You don't want all that dirt sitting on your paint while it's being stored. So I got that done. So got home from the car wash. It's all nice and clean. So next step, what I just did, fill up your gas tank. Make sure it's completely filled up. You want to do this because you want to avoid moisture getting into in your gas tank. So make sure it's full, and then I just added stable storage fuel stabilizer. You want to add 1 ounce to every 2.5 gallons of gas. Just pour it right in your gas tank, and just got done with that. And when you put this in, you're supposed to let the car run for about 5 minutes, which I am doing as of right now. So this step isn't really required, but excuse my cooling fans, they just kicked on. But it's not really required, but it's nice to do this, is keep all your fluids topped off when you store it. Make sure your oil's good, your coolant's good. Make sure you put coolant in your radiator and your cooling system and not just water. Make sure it actually has coolant in it so it doesn't freeze. And then you want fill up your tires with air, make sure they're good. And so after you make sure you have all those steps covered, you want to park it in your garage. This is my carport I built just for a budget build, and it does the job. So just park it in here, and the next step, we're going to disconnect the battery. Alright, next step is the battery. You want to disconnect it, because if you leave it in storage with it connected, it's going to drain the battery, and then you have to jump it every time you have to start it. So you want to disconnect that. I just loosened it. Then pop that off, and that's that. I'll cover this back up. So after you disconnect the battery, basically beforehand, lock your car, put it in the garage or carport, whatever you guys have, and then close it up, and it's ready to sit there forever until it gets warmer out and there's no snow or salt, and that time just takes forever, and it's very annoying and depressing. But that's all the steps you got to take. Pretty simple, not much to it. And then you also, on a side note, is you want to every, I'd say 2-3 weeks, you want to start the car. When it's in storage, you want to start it up, get it to operating temperatures, get all the fluids going. You don't want cars just have so many more issues if you let them sit for a period of time. You want to keep the fluids moving to avoid any problems you have later on when you do take it out of storage. So you do want to start it, let it run every 2-3 weeks. And then I personally turn on the heat all the way, get the cooling system flowing through the heater core and all that. I could make a video if you guys want of the steps I take when I do start every couple weeks. Make sure everything's good. If you want, just drop it down in the comments below if you want to see that. And that's about it. So hope you guys liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and stay tuned for more.